I sprained my ankle yesterday and it's time for Isabel to take over the cooking. And I wonder if she would do a good job. But I believe everything she's going to do in this video is going to be based on what she knows because this is the first time she's making Asun Jollof. She has never made this before. And I believe in her. I truly believe in her because she did the cooking, she did the shooting of this video. She basically did every single thing by herself without my help. I was just lying down and shouting, "Oh, did you put Maggie? Did you put salt?" Just trying to know if she's doing everything right on my own end. Anyways, she started off by prepping her ingredients, and for her ingredients, she used pepper mix. I think she used pepper, tomato, and bawa, and she used onion. She used oil. She added curry, thyme, nutmeg, chicken, beef seasoning, butter, soy sauce, and asun already. So she went ahead and poured in her oil, then went again with her butter, then she fried her goat's meat. She fried this for a while before introducing other ingredients like her onion to fry a bit. She went ahead and added a pepper mix. She gave that a very good fry before going in with other seasoning that she has. And truly, if I was the one cooking this, I would have actually done the same thing. Just the same way I'm recording this voice note, this is the first time I'm also watching this video because I just found it on my phone. I even didn't know that she filmed the whole process. So she said she wanted me to have her first Asun Rice on my YouTube channel, and that's what we are doing. And that's on a period. Clock it. So she kept on frying to ensure that she totally fries it and she's not feeling that tomato taste in her rice. So after properly frying it, she added water and let that boil for a little bit more before going in with her washed rice. The rice she used for this recipe is not parboiled. She washed the rice and she went ahead to make sure she added enough water till the rice was properly cooked. Oh my god, I am proud. This is like my proud mom's moment because my daughter did a good job. Like, this rice is tasty. I didn't watch the video, but I tasted the rice and I can say for a fact it is super tasty. It is yummy. She did a very good job in this particular recipe. And good thing is I get to watch the video. Anyways, proud mom moment. So give me some thumbs up in the comment section for teaching my daughter so properly well on how to cook. Our husband is going to enjoy. Hey, God, I beg. Whoever that man is going to enjoy because this girl was well thought. So if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment. What would you want my daughter to cook again? And this time around, should we film her cooking the whole meal, or you just enjoy seeing her cooking without seeing her face? I can't wait to put up more of her out there of things she made. Just this morning she made masa, and oh my god, it was tasty. It was super tasty, and she's always bringing a twist to all our meals, and that's why I love it. Anyways, do well to follow and subscribe to this channel because this channel, we don't just cook, we have fun while doing that. So as you can see, the rice is ready. This camera is not doing justice to the look of this rice. The camera is not doing justice. So she's going to now plate my food. It's not easy to be a mom. I'm actually feeling myself. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Toodles!